Perfect Fit Closets, how to use garage cabinetry using slides. We'll be taking a look at our hardware section on our non-graphical on how to add extra slides. I have my 2020 platform open with my local browser, and I've got my Perfect Fit Canada Canadian catalog. I've got some garage cabinetry in there, and we just finished talking about our actual hinges that you can buy. We can go into our item lists, right-click anywhere off screen, and left-click Show Item List, or we can go into our Items tab and select Item List here as well. These are the items I used in my previous video regarding our soft close hinges that we can always drag and drop using the Accessories Extra Cost tab. There are 4 tabs at the very bottom called Items tab, and these are our drag and dropped items in our item list, in our design. We have our calculated items for moldings and such, and then now we have Accessories Extra Cost. This is the area where I would drag and drop extra material. If I double click on our categories, I've got my closet section and garage section. If I double click on our hardware, I can double click on our slides. In our slides, we have something called a note that says non-graphical. These items need to be placed or need to be used in item list, sold as per pair, and it requires the hardware. So we can get these slides, but we still need the screws for this. We can go ahead and click on one of our undermount soft close slides for whatever reason. If we just need an extra pair, maybe we want an extra pair lying in the warehouse just in case something happens to it or it breaks or for whatever reason. We can actually take our undermount soft close slides. We can drag and drop our 22-inch undermount soft close slides, and we can select one pair. Now one pair left and right is going to be coming. If we wanted the push to open non-soft close slides, again, we can drag and drop a 22-inch, drop it in, and select our quantity. We also have side mount slides, again, for whatever reason. And again, left click, drag and drop, and indicate the quantities. We can always edit the quantities by right-clicking the item and left-clicking attributes. And we can increase or decrease the quantity. Now I have 3 pairs of our undermount soft close slides for my 22-inch. Now, if you remember, we have a note here that says it requires hardware. Well, I know that it comes with 2 Euro screws, so I can easily go back into my hardware, left-click hardware, and we're going to have a couple half-inch screws. We can also use some 5/8 screws, which is probably what I want the best. So 5/8, drag and drop, and I need 2 of them. And I can pick an extra just in case. And we also need our Euro screws. So here's our system screw posies, Euros, drag and drop the quantity that's needed. Most likely you will have extras from your previous design. And again, if you just want to add extras, you certainly can, and they don't cost much. So for example, 3 Euro screws cost 9 cents. To summarize, if we want to add extra parts, we can easily go into our garage section. If we're talking about garage cabinetry, double click our hardware. And in this section, we have hardware, non-graphical. We have our hinges, non-graphical. And we have our slides, non-graphical. So these are the basic components that's needed. If you ever want to add extra parts for whatever reason, maybe you're making a funky design or you want to build something from scratch, you're more than welcome to order any extra hardware from us. If you have any questions regarding garage cabinetry and extra hardware such as our slides, please do contact us at support@perfectfitcanada.com.